What's up, FriendMedia friends? I hope you're all having a wonderful day today. In this tutorial, I want to showcase to you all how to access our comprehensive library that's filled with over 2,600 different pieces of content that you can add to your playlist and display at your practice. So the first thing you want to do is you want to go over here to the left-hand column where you see the content and library tabs up above. Go ahead and hit the library tab. This gives you access to that comprehensive library. Now, if you want to go and see or filter through some of the brands we have, you can hit this little funnel button right here. This lets you filter through parent company, the brands. You can filter through the type of content you want to see, or you can filter through closed caption videos if you want to keep your playlist on silent. In addition to this, you can also hit this little magnifying glass. If you know what you want to search for, you can just go ahead and type it in. Use hydrofacial as an example. If I type in hydrofacial, hit enter, down below, I'll see all of the different pieces of content that are related to the hydrofacial brand. Now, if I want to preview some of this content before I actually go ahead and drag and drop it into the playlist, all I have to do is hit this little drop down arrow right there, hit play, and then see if it's something I like. If this seems like something that's interesting or something that I'm displaying at my practice or something that I can get behind, all I have to do is left click on it and then simply drag and drop that into my playlist. And then you're prompted to select the display mode. This is completely up to your preference. I prefer scale to fit, so we're going to go with that. We'll hit save, and there we go. Now, if you want to add it to one of those playlists with two different zones with the little ticker on the bottom that was portrayed in a previous tutorial, it's similar fashion. You just left click and drop it, and then you drag into which zone you want. Clearly, we want it in zone 1 because that is the main zone for our content, whereas zone 2 is strictly for a ticker. So we'll drag and drop it there. Same thing as the previous playlist, hit scale to fit. We'll hit save. It should appear under the Z1 tab. And there you go. You're pretty much ready to go now. You can filter through a bunch of other different brands we have and just play around and see what type of content uh, we have in our library. And just for your guys' information, the library is constantly being updated as new content comes out for some of these brands. We're constantly updating it. And if you guys happen to find new content that you would like uploaded to the library from some of the top brands such as Cool Sculpting or Hydrofacial or whatnot, feel free to send us an email at content@friendmedia.com, and we'll make sure to get that uploaded for you. As always, ladies and gentlemen, thank you all for watching.